Okay, it's the red velvet bundt cake recipe. You're going to need 1 box red velvet cake mix, 1 box Jello chocolate pudding. Make sure it's instant pudding. 1 block melted butter, 1 cup
Okay,
buttermilk,
once
and 4
all your
large
ingredients
eggs.
are in, we are going to mix this for 2 minutes. I start off very slowly first, otherwise everything splatters all over the place. Let that mix a little bit, and then I turn it up to the number 8 speed for 2 minutes. And while that's going, I prep the bundt pan with this ham baking spray. Make sure it's baking spray because this one has the flour with the butter. Spray that generously. Don't forget the middle part. Make sure the oven is preheated to 350.
Now we're going to transfer to the bundt pan. Make sure it's an even spread and bake for 55 minutes.
The last 10 minutes of your cake baking, you're going to want to make the glaze, start the glaze. You don't want to start the glaze too early, otherwise it'll get really hard. So it's a block of butter, 3/4 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, and let that go for a sec. Okay, so once everything is well mixed and melted, the sugar, butter, everything, I just turned the stove off. Okay, now we're going to poke holes. I have this, I don't know where I got this skewer from, but I don't like to use a wooden one because I don't want splinters to get in there. But we're just gonna poke generous holes into the bundt cake, like so. Sorry. And then you're going to add a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. It's going to splatter, so be careful. Okay, mix that up well. Maybe it's really sticky, so be careful. And I'm going to use this silicone spatula to apply the rest of the glaze onto the bundt cake. This is the part that everybody loves, by the way. A nice crunchy texture when you flip it over, but you'll see.
So when you're applying the glaze, make sure every inch is covered well and drench that baby. This is my favorite cake circles from Amazon. It's made by Wilton. They're very sturdy, strong cardboards. You can get them at the link below. Click the link below to get your cake circles today. Now we're gonna flip the cake. Wait, I'm doing my video. Put your cardboard thing on top and flip it. And there you have it. This beautiful red velvet bundt cake. People are going to love it. Love it, love it, love it. Bon appetit, and remember to love always, laugh often, and shop as needed. You'll thank me later. Aloha.